All right, why is everyone buying this folding sofa bed right now? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon, selling over 350 units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. So that's actually reason number one why everyone's buying it, is because everyone's buying it. And not only are they buying it, they're rating it and reviewing it very highly. So it has, I want to say, I'm forgetting off the top of my head, I want to say it's 172 ratings, average 4.3 stars. Dude, I mean, if you're getting like 25 to 50 ratings, you're getting into the range where like you're starting to understand how good is this product. Usually the public opinion, the ratings are accurate. Like that's just, it is what it is. When you get into 25, 50 ratings, you're getting an accurate read. This has 172 ratings, 4.3 stars. If you've got 4.0 or above, I feel good about buying the product. I feel very confident. I bought, I mean, hundreds, if not potentially thousands of products on Amazon over the course of time. And 4.3 stars, 172 ratings. That alone is enough for me to make a buying decision. I'm like, I'm good. When you factor in reason number two, which is the price point, that doesn't even make sense. That's insane. It should be way more for what you're getting with this folding sofa bed. That's all you need to know, but we'll go further. So this is a single right here, but it does come in different sizes from twin, queen, standard, whatnot, but this is just a single. So this is great for me, perfect for what I want it for, just for one person. But love the memory foam vibe. Very nice and comfortable, as well as the material on top. A very nice feel. It's just very comfortable, especially as I'm leaning up against the wall right here. And this is just one of the positions you can put it in. Also has this pillow you can use. So, and actually before I even go to any of the other things we can do with this, I want to show you. It's got this nice pocket right here. You can maybe put your phone or something in here. It's got the same thing on the other side. You've also got, what we can do is, let's fold this into this right here. So another thing you can do, we can do this, where now we're sitting like this. Just another vibe you can do with this. Another vibe. Let's move this around. Actually, before I even go to the other vibe, a bed. Great. See, like the versatility of this. And not only is it a bed, you even got a pillow you can throw on here. Obviously, you can put your head on either side. But just like straight up, dude, you're going, you're staying at someone's house. I was on tour a lot. I was traveling around a lot. This is great to just bring with you. You have a bed anywhere you go. You don't have to worry about sleep. If someone else has a bed or a couch or whatever, you got this with you. So that's great. Then let's go into, is it this way? Yeah. Here's another way. Another vibe you can do. We're right here. And you can still sit like this, or you can be more, this vibe. All right, then you've also got these handles right here. You got a handle here for carrying. Then when you're ready to go, you want to transport it. I don't even think it needs a bag, but dude, this bag is a pretty sweet bag. You fold it up, put it in your bag. You got a nice thing to carry it with. So I think this thing's great for just having with you, great for your own house, straight up, especially if you're strapped on cash. This is a chair, multiple types of chairs, and also it's your bed, as well as you can bring it with you on the road. You can bring it to other people's houses. You can take it camping. I just think this thing's amazing. And just keep it in the back of your car. Just, you never know when you're going to need it. So amazing. Highly recommend.